How to fix Gmail login error on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix Gmail login error on your iPhone device. So sometimes when you try to log into your Gmail or your Google account on your iPhone, you simply won't be able to log in and it will keep saying login error or an error has occurred. So in this video, I'll show you all of the reasons as to why that may be happening and also their solutions. So the first thing you want to do is make sure you have stable internet connections. So let's say you are not able to log in, and if you are on your Wi-Fi, try switching to mobile data, and if you are on your mobile data, try switching to Wi-Fi and then log into your account. But if you still can't log into your account, simply go to your app store and then type in Gmail. Now currently mine says open, meaning my app is currently up to date, but if yours says update, it means that your app is not up to date, which may be causing your login error. So try updating your app, and once it's updated, try logging into your account. But if you're still not able to log into your account, what you can do is go to your settings, general, iPhone storage, and now locate the Gmail app. Now once you're in this page, it will basically provide you with two options: offload app and then delete app. Now tap on offload app, and what offload app will do is it will delete the app itself but will keep all of its documents and data. So tap on offload app. Now wait for it to be fully offloaded. Now once you've offloaded the app, simply tap on reinstall app and wait for the app to reinstall. Now once you've done that, try logging into your account, and in most cases you'll be able to log in. But if you still can't log into your account, as a final resort, what you can do is uninstall the Gmail app altogether and then reinstall it, and also restart your iPhone. And now once you've done all of these, you'll surely be able to log into your Gmail account on your iPhone and the error will be fixed. So that was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.